Hi guys, Jay here and welcome to the best video creator apps in 2021. And in this video, I'm going to show you the apps that I use and explain a little bit about them and show you the prices and all that. So yeah, so this is my channel. I share videos of how you can make money with video using different video apps, posting on different social media sites like TikTok, Facebook, Upwork, Fiverr, things like that, guys. So without further ado, let's go to the first app. Now, you've probably seen that I do a lot of videos with Vidnami. I do like this. It's like, it's very simple to use. It's very basic in terms of you can't do much. It's just basically stock videos or stock images, or if you want to upload your own, and then it's got text on the screen. Yeah, and it's very simple. You basically are turning text to video. Yeah, you can make a few different videos, like your content videos, your influencer videos, but they all pretty much look like the same kind of format kind of thing. Yeah, it's very intelligent. Like I said, you put your text in. So if you've got a blog or a website, you can just copy and paste your text, put it into Vidnami, and it will create a video for you. Yeah, I use it for my movie channel, and it helps me make a lot of money. I say a lot, it helps me make money. That's the main thing. And the good thing is you can try it for free. Yeah, you can come onto the page, you can come over to the website, just type in Vidnami. The pricing is $47 a month, guys. Yeah, but if you go through the link in my description, yeah, it's $47 a month. If you go through the link in my description, you can get 25% off for life. So then it'll be the $35 a month. Yeah, but you also get extra bonuses if you go through my link, because you'll get obviously your 25% off. You'll get Storyblocks video clip library, so you're saving 468. So this helps you get more video clips and images, and it's all copyrighted, so you don't get in trouble. So if you upload to YouTube, you're allowed. You also get the music tracks, saving 180 a year. They're all copyrighted as well. You get this ultimate video traffic blueprint showing you different ways how to make videos and how to make money with them. You get 21 ways to find clients, so you can sell the videos to clients, to local businesses, and that. 5-minute Facebook ad formula, convert your phone into camera cheat sheet, and then the ultimate YouTube cheat sheet. So if you want to make videos for YouTube like I do, then this will help you guys. Yeah, so that's Vidnami. That's the first creator. Now the second one is InVideo. Now this is free, guys. You can get this and it's totally free. Obviously it comes with limits, so if you wanted to get more out of it, then you'd have to purchase it. But the good thing about this, guys, if you look at the pricing, see, totally free. Yeah, it's only £10 a month. But if you, if you go monthly, it's £20 a month, $20 a month. Sorry, yeah. And with this one, watermark free videos. Yeah, you get 3,500 video templates, 3 million standard media library, automated text to speech, and 15-minute video duration. Yeah. Whereas this, you can remove backgrounds. You get 60 video exports a month. You get 1 million premium media. iStock media per month, everything in the free plan. So you get all that plus all that, guys. Now that is the price. Let's just go and show you what it's about, though, guys, because I like this one a lot. It says make professional videos in 5 minutes. It's easy and it's free, and it's true, guys. 3 simple steps. You select the template, you customize it to how you want it. You text, you add your logo, whatsoever, and then you export it, guys. All the 3,500 templates covering every industry, so you don't have to be creative because they've already built these templates for you. All you're doing is changing a bit of text to suit you. Yeah, automatically convert text to video. So as on Vidnami, that's all Vidnami does is text to video. You can also do that on here. So you're getting like more with this one, basically complete control. So yeah, look, you get your templates, which will show you. You can have them in different formats, so you can upload to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, etc. Yeah. So you've got your templates, you've got your text to video, and you've got your blank canvas. So if you want to be creative, you've got your blank canvas. You can start from scratch. If you want to just convert it a text to video like you do on Vidnami, then you've got that too, guys. And these are some of the. This is what the bit I like best is these, yeah, the video the templates what are already built. It gives you ideas and you can just change them to how you want them, guys. Yeah, they're easy to do. They're always adding new ones, so you get like recently added ones. They give you each month. They give you like certain ones. So if it's like on, say for instance, 4th of July, you'll get all the 4th of July celebration ones. You got intros and logos. Yeah. So these things, guys, you can sell on places like Fiverr and Upwork. You can contact local businesses and offer these services. Yeah. You've got your video ads. You've got slideshows. You've got business presentations, invites, offers and discounts, video collages, webinar promos, quote videos. Yeah, so you get a lot for your money, guys, don't you? And it's only £20. It's totally free, but if you want more out of it, then it's $20 a month. That's it, guys. Whereas Vidnami, I do like Vidnami, but it's 47 unless you go through my link, which is 35. So with this, yeah, within video, you're saving $15 if you go on the paid plan, or you can get it totally free. And like I said, you get your text to videos. Yeah, like Vidnami, you got all these different styles and that, so you could customize them how you want, guys. These are great. Then if you want to be creative, like I said, you've got your blank canvas. Now the next one, guys, is Create Studio. This is a bit more expensive, but it's because it's like 3D. Yeah, and 3D is quite expensive. So you can make these kind of videos with like your promotional videos, explainer videos, like 3D, like with characters and stuff like that. Doodle sketch, where it shows a hand creating it. Yeah, stomp teasers. Yeah, and you get quite a lot. But these are the kind of graphics you're going to get, these kind of characters, and they are very expensive to create. So you are getting good. Again, you can make your square, your landscape, or your vertical, which is good. You can make these scroll stopping videos where it looks like they're coming out. Yeah. And they're very clever. You got your doodle sketches. You can come over here. Now, if you type in on Google, yeah, or your search engine, Create Studio, you will be paying, let's go to the pricing. Like I said, this is a bit more expensive, this one. You will be paying $99 a year. Yeah, guys, which is quite expensive, I know. But if you go through my link, I don't save you much, but I save you some. You can get it for $67 a month. Oh no, I think it's just one-off payment for $67. So you're saving a lot. Yeah. And that's Create Studio. Now today, guys, a new video creator app comes out. So if you buy it today, you're going to save some money, right? Now this looks impressive. I've played around with it. It is really good. So all these different apps, what I've been showing you then, you can do on this one. So you don't have to buy lots of different ones. You've got it all here, guys. It's called Video Creator. It turns your ideas into world-class animated videos. Yeah, you can hundreds of ready-to-use templates. So like you're in video, you've already got them all designed for you. Videos in all shapes and dimensions, so you can upload to any social networking. Yeah, videos from all marketing goals. So you've got your explainer, your animated, your whiteboard, your e-commerce, or any other type of video inside one platform. You can create videos in any language to attract global audiences. Copyright-free video, images, and music, so you don't have to worry about getting done off YouTube when you upload. You can unlock. There's no limits. Yeah. Obviously, the actual graphics, commercial license included, so you can sell these videos to clients online and offline to maximize revenues. Yeah, and it's just a one-time payment. We'll find out the price in a minute. Again, you can make these cool scroll stoppers, corporate commercials, motion tracking, video flip books, which is quite impressive. E-commerce videos if you want to sell products, 3D animation, real estate, local businesses, Facebook and Insta stories, yeah, neon signs, which is cool, special events, so many more, guys. It's an awesome app. This select from hundreds of ready to use. So 3 simple steps again, guys. You click one, you customize it with like whichever you want it, like your colors and stuff like that, and then you create it. step 1, 2, and 3. So you've got your testimonials and stuff like that. Shows you a few like percentages of different what people are saying. You can type in video creator, guys, or you can click on the link in the description and come and check it out, guys. It's an all-in-one video maker, ready-made templates, customize everything, upload your own logos, images, and music if you want, videos in all dimensions, millions of royalty-free images, easy-to-use dashboard, full HD resolution, top-notch support, step-by-step training, 100% cloud-based, so you don't have to download or install anything, and it's built in Music Library. And says a little bit more about videos and that. It's first to market video flipbooks. Yeah, these are cool. Yeah, let's have a quick look at them. Just turn the sound off, guys. Huh? These are clever. It turns like your images and your videos into a book. Yeah, it's quite kind of like that, guys. Profit boosting e-commerce and product demo videos. Pattern interrupt scroll stoppers. Big budget corporate style videos. It's very impressive, guys, to say the least. Futuristic 3D animation videos. So like your Create Studio, you've got your 3D ones, your local business featuring real human actors. So like, you know, like your text messages come on the screen. Logos. You've got your explainer videos, your whiteboard, e-commerce, video ads, live action, video commercials, social media, logo reveals, product promos, slideshows, scroll stoppers, and mock-ups. You've got them all, guys. Got it all on this app. And I'm just going to scroll down to the pricing, yeah? So it's to say the perfect choice this for content creators, authors, teachers, business owners, bloggers, social media managers, freelancers, digital marketers, video agencies, realtors, e-commerce, and more, guys. It's for everybody. Attract new customers, boost brand exposure, slash your advertising costs, get free organic traffic, sell the videos for 100% profit. So yeah, if you go onto sites like Upwork and Fiverr and stuff like that, you can sell these videos. You can put like your services out there. No monthly fees, no limits, no video storage costs, no learning curve, no hosting costs, no rendering fees. One-off payment, guys. It's all free after that. Get these bonuses with it. Commercial license, unlimited video renders forever, unlimited background removal. That's good because you can save a lot of time. Huge font library, so much more for one low price, guys. And if you were to pick it up today, if you want the personal or the commercial, yeah, but if you pick it up today, you get it for one-off $37. Yeah, one-time price. But if you want some extra stuff, yeah, then you get your commercial one where you can sell it to businesses and that sell your videos. You can get it for $47 one-time price, guys. That is very impressive. So you get all this in this for that, guys. Now, if you want to win it or to get a free copy of it, guys, yeah, click on the link in the description, enter your name and email, and then at 2 p.m. Eastern time today, you can watch a webinar where Paul Ponner, who's the creator, will go through the app, talking all about it and how you can make more money, etc. And you can win. 20 people will win a free copy of the Video Creator, yeah? But also, guys, 10 other people can win $100 just for attending the webinar. So you need to watch it. If you're going to put your email and name in, you might as well watch it, guys. You'll be on for like an hour or two, yeah? You can get a chance to win it for free, so you save $47. You can also win some money. So if you win $100, yeah, you can buy the app for $47 and you're still profiting, yeah? Then also you get invited to a secret Facebook group where you can where they're giving away up to 3,000 additional prizes as well, guys. So click on the link in the description, yeah, enter your name, and then win a free copy or win some money. So win-win, guys. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and let us know which video creator app you like best. Now, if you want to check out any more videos, I've got some other videos here, like about video creator review, Vidnami, how to make money with videos. Come and check out these videos, guys. And until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.